Wow! Sarap po nito, Mami Grace. Thank you po.
Salamat po.
2 times a week kami nagda-dine out with my family. Kasi busy na rin sa work. Pumupunta rin kami sa mga Italian, Japanese, iba-ibang food trip kasi gusto namin na nag-explore kami like iba-ibang restaurant.
Tonight, dumayo ng Quezon City si Anton Vinzon para sampulan ang authentic Italian dishes ng Parmigiano.
Allora, Parmigiano start in 2015. The owner create this Parmigiano because he really love Parmigiano cheese. After several years, now we have 4 branches. The owner is originally from Rome. Our menu is really Roman talaga menu. We make our own pasta by mano mano. About the interior is all the Parmigiano are all big size because we want to get all big groups, family, friends, so they can enjoy the real love, be happy, enjoy the moment with quality of food.
Bago siya kumain, inalam muna ni Anton kung paano nga ba hinahanda ang bestsellers ng naturang restaurant.
Ganda! Pinapanood ko sa social media eh. Oo, kinikrave ko talaga to. Ganyan pala.
And then, scrape natin yung melted cheese. And after that, okay, lalagay na natin yung ating fettuccine alfredo. Okay. Okay.
Excited ako. Lalaway ako, oh my gosh. Sarap.
Sarap.
May medyo pagka-salty, creamy. Grabe, iba, mix yung flavors niya eh. Iba-iba yung nalalasahan ko. And hindi ko ina-expect kasi mostly sa mga may carbonara, tamis. Pero ito, parang traditional na Italian cheese talaga siya.
At dahil isa rin siyang chef wannabe, hindi pinalampas ni Anton na matuto from an expert.
Uy!
Pero mas masarap to. Pero mas masarap yung gawa mo kumpara na ito.
Okay na to? Kasi kapag ginagawa mo talaga, parang mas malalasahan mo talaga yung dish eh. Kinikrave ko po talaga yung malaking cheese na yun. Kaya ayun, good experience for me. Next time dito na ako magtatrabaho.
Ngayon naman, aaralin ni Anton na gumawa ng pizza sa tulong ni Chef David.
Now, you take the dough like this.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Follow. Here. Okay, very good.
Wow.
Huh? Ikaw marunong. Now, we put pomodoro. You need to make like a small circle. Little by little, is making more bigger.
Chef, gusto ko rin mag-aral lang ng gumawa ng pizza at maging chef. Ano yung mga advice niyo sa akin?
This job is not that easy, but give to you happiness, make you creative. It's more you can be more confident in what you do. This is all the ingredients: artichokes, Italian sausages, prosciutto cotto, prosciutto crudo, mushroom, boiled egg. Let's tell the most hard things is you are right or left?
Here.
Correct. Okay. Here. Get this one. Try to put the pala here. Right? Okay. Tapos inside the pugon. Just put there. Okay. Now we use scissor like this. And you cut the edge. Depend on you how many slices. Very good.
Approve.
Yeah. Okay, let's try.
Okay. Cheers. Thank you, Chef. Thank you. Grabe ako natutunan. Saludo ako sa'yo, Chef.
Thank you po.
Salamat.
Thank you very much.
So ayun, mga food explorers, nandito tayo sa Parmigiano. Kaya tara, food trip tayo.
One of my favorites is the paella, riso in padella. We make with basmati rice. It's from Spain. And we cook very crunchy, crispy. So when you eat, hindi sunog. So when you eat, you have the flavor of the crunchy, all like this. We mix with seafood, also some meats. It's one of the best sellers, this one. Yes, yes. You want shrimps?
Sure.
Good, good.
Hop.
The next is the salmon.
Ay, yung iniintay ko, Chef, kanina pa. Kasi grabe yung protein niya eh.
This one is the fresh salmon. And we cook grilling. Tapos we have mashed potato. We really, from potato talaga. We have also green olives, black olives, with some garlic sauté, with cherry tomato. They give extra flavors. And also some pesto sauce.
Sarap. Lasang-lasa talaga, organic talaga yung ano niya eh.
But you get
Salmon.
all the flavor. Talaga, yeah.
So, Chef, ano naman yan? Like, kanina ko pa yan tinitingnan eh.
This one is the best because I love meat. This is ribeye. This is from Australia because Australia have a good ribeye. It's all imported talaga. This one is normal roast chicken. This one is Italian sausages. We are the one to make. And this one is the lamb. This one is from Italy. So,
Excited na ako. Medium rare, guys. Sarap! Sarap!
very, very.
Ang lambot, ang tender ng ano, ng steak.
Yeah. Actually, if you notice, all our meat have different flavors. So like this, we give all the clients a different experience. Also about the chicken, it's not like every chicken you eat outside. So we cook with our seasoning. There is a long procedure. Every morning we make to create really a good Italian flavor. We have many orders of meat, so we don't have problems of like expiration dates, like this.
Sarap ah. Parang natural talaga yung mango, walang...
Yeah, the mango is really fresh talaga.
Ano yung best seller niya dito? Sa...
Lahat.
Lahat?
Be honest.